If you're looking for an electric wheelchair designed with travel in mind, then the EWheels EW-M45 is the perfect solution. Not only is this powerful wheelchair airline-friendly, but it also gives you the freedom to venture out without having to worry about vehicle lifts or disassembling a scooter. Why? Because this wheelchair can be folded with ease in just 2 easy steps. The EW-M45 is one of the lightest power wheelchairs on the market at just 59 pounds and can hold a rider up to 400 pounds. Some of the features include solid front and rear tires, a joystick controller that can be attached to the right or left side, a back seat pocket, a comfortable foam seat, and a large foot platform. It also comes standard with 2 lithium batteries that will enable a rider to travel an impressive 15.5 miles and can easily be upgraded to 4 batteries to double the travel range. For added comfort, the EW-M45 comes with a folding armrest and 2 rear shock absorbers and is even equipped with 2 free roll levers. The EWheels EW-M45 electric wheelchair. Start your adventure today.